Hey everyone, welcome back to Rumple Channels, the place where we break down tech tools and everything in between so you can make the best choices. Today we're diving deep into the world of web hosting with a detailed review of, drumroll please, HostGator. Whether you're starting your first website or you're a seasoned pro, we'll help you decide if HostGator is the right fit for you. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is HostGator? Well, HostGator is one of the most popular web hosting companies out there. Founded in 2002, they've been in the game for over 2 decades, hosting millions of websites worldwide. Whether you're creating a personal blog, an e-commerce store, or a professional portfolio, HostGator provides a wide range of hosting options to meet different needs. They offer services like shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and even WordPress-specific hosting for those of you who love working with WordPress. Now, let's talk about what sets HostGator apart from the competition. Hosting companies are a dime a dozen, so what makes this one special? Flexible plans. HostGator caters to everyone, from beginners to advanced users. Their pricing is competitive and they've got plans for every budget. Freebies galore, who doesn't love free stuff? HostGator offers free domain registration for the first year, unlimited bandwidth, and a free SSL certificate. User-friendly tools. Their control panel, cPanel, is one of the most intuitive ones out there. Plus, they offer a website builder with drag-and-drop functionality, which is great for beginners. 99.9% UPC matters. HostGator guarantees your website will stay online almost all the time with minimal interruptions. 24/7 customer support. Need help? They're available around the clock via live chat, phone, and even a ticket system. Alright, let's talk about the positives. Here's why people love HostGator. Affordable pricing. With shared hosting plans starting as low as $2.75 per month, HostGator is one of the most budget-friendly options available. Unlimited bandwidth and storage. Many hosting companies put caps on bandwidth or storage, but HostGator lets you grow without limits, especially on their shared plans, beginner-friendly. Their website builder and one-click installations for WordPress and other CMS platforms make it easy to get started. Scalability. As your website grows, HostGator makes it simple to upgrade to more robust hosting plans like VPS or dedicated servers. Great customer support. Their 24/7 support team is responsive, and they have a huge library of tutorials and guides for self-help. Free website migration. If you already have a website hosted elsewhere, HostGator's team will help you move it to their servers for free. Now, no company is perfect, and HostGator has its share of downsides. Here are some areas where they fall short. Upselling. While their base plans are affordable, they're known for upselling additional features like backups, security add-ons, and SEO tools. This can feel overwhelming for some users. Speed issues. HostGator's shared hosting plans might not offer the fastest load times compared to premium competitors like SiteGround or WP Engine. Limited advanced features. For developers or advanced users, HostGator may lack some of the more niche or cutting-edge features found on other platforms. Inconsistent customer support quality. While they offer 24/7 support, the quality of help you receive can vary depending on who you're connected with. Renewal rates. Like many hosting companies, HostGator's promotional pricing only applies to the first term. Renewal rates are significantly higher, so keep that in mind when budgeting. So, what's the final verdict? Is HostGator worth it? If you're a beginner or someone looking for affordable, reliable hosting with plenty of tools to get started, HostGator is an excellent choice. Their pricing, free features, and ease of use make them a top contender in the budget hosting space. However, if speed, advanced features, or premium customer support are your top priorities, you might want to explore higher-end alternatives like SiteGround or Bluehost. Ultimately, HostGator offers great value for the price, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs. That's it for today's review of HostGator. I hope this video helped you decide whether HostGator is the right hosting provider for your needs. If you've used HostGator before, let us know your experience in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.